If you're looking for the best JavaScript course on Coursera, you're in the right place. Whether you want to become a front-end developer, full-stack developer, or simply learn one of the world's most popular programming languages, Coursera offers excellent JavaScript courses for every skill level. Before we get started, if you're planning to take multiple programming or web development courses, check the discount link in the description. Coursera Plus can save you money compared to purchasing learning programs individually. For most beginners, my top recommendation is Meta's Programming with JavaScript. It covers JavaScript fundamentals, object-oriented programming, data structures, debugging, unit testing, and practical web development skills. It's beginner-friendly and provides a strong foundation before moving into React or full-stack development. If you're completely new to web development, IBM's Introduction to HTML, CSS, and JavaScript is another excellent option. Instead of teaching JavaScript by itself, it introduces the three core technologies used to build websites, making it ideal for absolute beginners. For learners who want a complete JavaScript career path, the IBM Full Stack JavaScript Developer Professional Certificate is one of the strongest choices on Coursera. It goes beyond JavaScript fundamentals and includes Node.js, REST APIs, databases, cloud-native development, Git, and full-stack software development skills. If your goal is front-end development, you can also continue with Meta's Front-End Developer Professional Certificate, where JavaScript is combined with HTML, CSS, React, version control, and modern web development practices. The biggest advantage of learning JavaScript on Coursera is that you can start with beginner courses and gradually progress to professional certificates, advanced frameworks, and real-world projects without switching platforms. The only downside is that if you continue taking multiple courses and certificates, purchasing each learning program separately can become expensive. That's why I usually recommend Coursera Plus. Instead of paying for courses one by one, you get access to more than 10,000 eligible courses, professional certificates, specializations, guided projects, and hands-on labs from over 350 leading universities and companies. You can earn unlimited certificates while your subscription is active, making it the best value for long-term learners. If you want to check the latest Coursera Plus discount, you'll find the link in the description below.